Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, everyone, to a quick guide on playing PUBG Mobile on your PC without triggering that pesky emulator detection. Many of us love the convenience of mobile gaming, but sometimes a bigger screen and precise mouse and keyboard controls are just what you need for a better gaming experience. This guide looks at how players might try to achieve this in 2025, focusing on methods that aim to bypass standard detection. We will explore some advanced techniques and important considerations. You see, when you use an official emulator, PUBG Mobile's system knows, and it puts you into a different matchmaking pool. This means you are only playing against other players who are also using an emulator, which can change the game dynamic. Many players want to avoid this, hoping to play on PC while being seen as a mobile user to open up the broader player base for matches. One straightforward way to get PUBG Mobile onto your PC screen is through mirroring applications. These tools, like a power mirror or visor, simply cast your phone's display to your computer. However, your input still comes from your phone, even if you are using a mouse connected to it. This setup usually comes with noticeable input lag, and it doesn't give you the fluid, native keyboard and mouse controls that many PC gamers truly desire. A more complex approach involves setting up an advanced Android environment on your PC that is not a typical off-the-shelf emulator. This could mean using a virtual machine with a specially configured Android version that tries to appear as a regular mobile device. The goal is to avoid triggering the game's built-in detection mechanisms. This method demands significant technical skill, and it's essential to understand that such modifications can pose risks to your game account. It is crucial to remember that game developers are always improving their detection systems. What works today might not work tomorrow, and the methods discussed are often quickly patched. Any attempt to bypass official detection methods comes with the serious risk of losing your game account permanently, so it is important to be aware of the consequences. Ultimately, playing within the game's rules ensures the most enjoyable and secure experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.